Hey guys, it's Jamie back with another video. In this video, I'll be providing modeling tips. To anyone who's interested in modeling, it's your first time modeling, you don't know what you're getting yourself into, you're hearing so many different things from people, and you just don't know what route to take. So I would say the first thing you need to do is discover what kind of model you want to become. Then you do your research. If you want to be in an agency, reach out to the agency and ask them what requirements need to be met so you can be in the agency. Being in the agency didn't work out the way how I wanted to, but I'll talk about that in another video. But one thing I could say, all the resources and tools that I gathered, I'm using it in my modeling career to this very day. So that's why I feel like if you are interested in modeling, I feel like being in an agency will be the best fit for you. And then when you decide that it's not for you, then become a freelancer. A freelancer, it's a lot of work. You're like basically your own boss. You're booking your own gigs. You're managing things. You're scheduling things. My planner, my notes, my phone, my laptop. It's a lot because think about it. Being in an agency, they do everything for you. All you have to do is show up. But being a freelancer, it's like you have to have your office. Another thing you want to ask yourself, do you want to do print work, you want to do runway, or do you want to do both? I started doing runway first, and it's so fun. I love it. And then I did print, and then I was trying to balance both. Someone reached out to me, and they told me that they was interested in doing fitness. So what I can use that person as an example. So let's say that you decided you wanted to do fitness, and then you will look for a photographer and do like a fitness shoot, go on Instagram, use hashtags, or look up different agencies. And whatever agency you find, look at their requirements. Okay, you want to make sure that you meet all requirements. Don't be halfway doing it, because then they're gonna just say no. It's so easy to say no to a model. Okay, it's like little things that they pay attention to, and they will just say no. Okay, I had another person who reached out to me, and when I was telling her about all these things, she was like, no, I want to be a freelancer. Well, for a person who never modeled before, I do feel like being in an agency would help, because you have to have knowledge. And I just want to let y'all know this, because a lot of models don't talk about it. One of the most dangerous careers is modeling, because anybody can send you something and be like, oh, well, we need you for this and that. And it could be a scam, or it could be a setup, and then something bad happened to you. I've been modeling on and off, but the years that I put into modeling, I can tell like when something isn't right, you know. That's why it's important to ask questions. And with somebody who is a beginner, you don't know what kind of questions to ask. Like I can sit up there and ask questions and see little small stuff and be like, no, it's not legit. So that's why I feel like being in an agency would be a lot better. I understand that it is expensive and sometimes you could be overlooked, but I'd rather for you to be safe. Stay tuned for part 2.